Craving soft, fluffy pancakes but no idea where to start? Let me show you how to make a perfect stack using just 5 basic ingredients you already have at home. No fancy tools, no complicated steps. Just a simple, beginner-friendly recipe that anyone can follow, even if you've never cooked before. It's fast, affordable, and absolutely delicious. Here's what you need for a small batch of 6 to 8 pancakes. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, 3/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of oil or melted butter. Optional, a pinch of salt and vanilla extract for extra flavor. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix well to evenly distribute everything. Crack in the egg, pour in the milk, and add your oil or melted butter. Stir everything gently until the batter is smooth. Don't overmix. Preheat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Lightly grease with a drop of oil or butter. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter into the pan for each pancake. You can adjust the size based on your preference. As the pancake cooks, bubbles will form on the surface. This is a sign that it's time to flip. Use a spatula to gently turn it over. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes on the second side until golden brown on both sides. Each pancake should be golden brown, fluffy, and slightly crisp on the edges. Repeat this process for the remaining batter. Don't forget to add a tiny bit of oil between batches if needed. Stack your pancakes and top with whatever you love: honey, fruit, peanut butter, or even plain. Soft, fluffy, and ready in just 10 minutes. Nutrition tips. Each pancake in this recipe is approximately 120 to 140 calories, depending on size and toppings. Add fruit or fiber for a more balanced meal. Want more protein? Add a spoon of peanut butter or Greek yogurt on the side. Pancakes don't have to be unhealthy. It's all about balance and portions. Made too many pancakes? No problem. Storage tips. Let them cool completely. Store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Or freeze with parchment paper between layers. Reheat by microwaving for 30 seconds. Or heating in a pan for 1 to 2 minutes for crispy edges. Wasn't that easy? Try it today and let us know in the comments how yours turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Everyday Nutrition for more simple, affordable recipes every week.